So, we have to find the voltage across A and B in this question. So, if we consider plus minus, so from positive the current flows through, then the diode is forward biased, so it acts as a short now. So, now the circuit is such that this is a single wire and there are two resistances in parallel. So, if I draw the equivalent circuit, this is how the circuit looks like. This is 10 by 2 because 10 parallel to 10 is 10 by 2 and this is 10, this is 30 volt. So, here 20 volt gets dropped, here 10 volt gets dropped. So, the voltage across A and B is 10 volt. Option A is the right answer.